Hello there. I will show you ways to make money online in this video. There is a lot of money to be made online. I know several people who failed in their traditional careers but have made millions by running online businesses. Unfortunately, more than 95% of online entrepreneurs fail, and most failures happen within the first 120 days of starting. Further, the early successes can sometimes turn into losses. So, the right strategy and approach are critical. Feel free to share your stories with me in the comments section. In a moment, I will introduce you to the approach that has the highest success rate. It can also provide a passive income stream if done right. That is critical considering the failure rates discussed before. Did you ever wonder why there is so much money to make online? People make purchases worth billions online. Many of these start with a search and exploration before converting into sales. Consider this. 1.79 billion people bought something online in 2021. 88% of all online shoppers perform online research before purchasing a product. 75% of customers expect help online within 5 minutes. And this is increasing with every passing day. Online transaction volumes in most retail sectors increased by 74% from March 2019 to March 2020. So, if you could either influence a purchase or make a sale, you can make money. However, it can quickly go downhill, as we have seen. Adroitly balancing the fine line can make or break your online endeavor. You can start your online endeavor by building a physical or digital product. When you make a product, your product idea, implementation including team formation and execution, and finally your sales and marketing must all be impeccable and on the dot to make a success. That is a lot of moving parts. Each moving part must do its part correctly for the machinery to work. Other than that, there is a lot of investment to build the product before you can make a sale. And if any of the parts do not work as expected, then the dream of making a sale could be far-fetched. And come to think of it, each component has multiple subparts. Consider product idea, for example. First, you must get a magical brainwave about the product. Then we must be able to conceptualize it to determine you must give them be unique in the current marketplace, its competitors that it needs to match up to, and the like. Another way is to start a consulting business. In that case, you need to identify the skills you could market. And in most cases, you need to have a network that will be a proponent or willing to vouch for your skills. Next, you need to take out insurance and start a campaign to sell your skills to make this successful. Finally, you would need to build the marketing material. All of this requires a lot of investment. Yet another way is to become an affiliate marketer. You can take successful products from others and bring them new customers by running a campaign and cutting sales. That requires you to identify the winning products looking for affiliate marketers, run a campaign, and make some money. The problems are finding the right products, the cost of running campaigns, and the cut in sales sizable enough for you to make a living. However, this is the path of least resistance. Further, I have answers for all three problems described here. Delving deep into them would need another complete video. So why is affiliate marketing attractive? Around 80% of major brands have affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing accounts for over 15% of all digital media revenue. Here are some examples of successful affiliate marketers. Paul Murphy. Paul's claim to fame has been his ability to become a top affiliate for some pretty big brands. He's been a successful affiliate marketer for Kartra, Builderall, Webinar Jam, and others. Paul is actually a pretty down-to-earth guy who breeds trust. That makes him great to learn from. Paul doesn't disclose his income for privacy reasons. If you are interested in finding the income potential, here are a few. Pat Flynn. Last month income, $53,000 plus. John Chow. Estimated monthly earnings, $40,000 to $50,000. Neil Patel. Estimated worth of his companies, $5 million to $10 million. I hope that does it for you. So what about my promise to introduce you to the approach that has the highest success rate? I have not forgotten that. Affiliate marketing is a path of least resistance to making money online. How about the best online platform that will help you start hearing money clinking in your bank account? Did you guess already? Yes, YouTube, you go to platform. YouTube is the second most popular social media channel. 79% of all internet users say they have a YouTube account. That is good for running campaigns. What about finding winning products? ClickBank and MaxWeb are two websites that host products that affiliates can sell. You could choose a winning product with a good margin for the affiliates. Do you know of other profitable products? Do write back in the comments section. Did you enjoy the contents of this video? Then, subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive updates about my new videos. That would have meaningful information about making money online. Next video from us, Indulge Enterprises, will take you through ways to build high-quality followers online.